Here's a great deal on a 2010 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. It features a standard transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, skid plates, and much more. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.